Hey guys, good morning. Sun is bright this morning. It's beautiful. Check out this shirt I got. Hang Time. Wisconsin Saddle Hunter. I'll put a link where you can get one for your state. A box came in the mail. Out on a limb. What's in here? A platform. Another platform. Gotta try it out. All right, so let's open this box up here and see what we got. Got some paper. Leave that there right now. We've got our invoice. This is just our first impression of this. We're gonna try it on the tree though for you. $159. I think they're $179 now, and then you got $20 shipping. And then they gave instruction sheet, it looks like here. So you got an instruction sheet on how to put it on the tree, so we'll follow those instructions. Since it's a little windy, I'm going to throw all this stuff back in the box right now. And put that in there. So here it is. Let's get rid of the bubble wrap, and hopefully I don't break the glass on my table. Throw that in there too. So here it is. It looks beefy. Check that out. Check out the workmanship. Matthew Garris, you can watch him on his Facebook channel actually doing this. See him with his chop saw cutting this all out by hand. It's pretty cool. Thanks, Matthew, for building it. So then you've got your strap here, and you can see on the straps they've got some threading right there to bring this together so it fits over the button a little bit nicer. Right there you can see that fitting over the button really nice. Get a good fit. So you can see their logo right here. And this one is adjustable. So you've got the same thing as the perch if you look at it. I like that it's got a rough finish on it, which is really nice. So gripping wise, you can really feel it. And I know I watched one of the other videos with the, I think it's, what's the other one they have? The podium. And I know when they were standing on it with their boots, you would get that, if it was wet, you would get that squeaking sound, but this, you're not gonna get that with this setup on the top. So this one is adjustable. So if we close it up, you can see right here is a button. You've got some checkering, it looks like, on the outside. And what I like is it's got some big threads. So it really moves when you turn it. May have to think of something so it doesn't turn and fall out, but we'll put that right back in there. I may put a little bit of orange on the threads maybe in case I do drop it out of the tree for some reason. But yeah, you can adjust it. So there's a couple threads in, so you can see it is tilted up this way. And if we screw it all the way in till it's touching, now you can see how it's got an angle in there. So it is adjustable, which is really nice. And we're gonna go strap this baby on the tree and see what the side pressure is like. We're gonna follow his instructions. I think when I was looking at those instructions, you put it on like this and then you cam it over. So we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. So let's go put on the saddle so we can get some good side pressure and try it out on the tree. Let's go try it. All right, guys, we're over at the tree. I put on my saddle. I've got my tether up there. So I'm going to show you how I put these on the tree again as far as the strap. And, you know, because you always, when you're trying to put a strap around the tree, it goes around the back and then, of course, it wants to fall down. So I'll show you how I do it to keep tension on it. But, hey, check out this hat I got. The Beast. Got the hats in stock. I love this thing. It's got the elastic all the way around. A beautiful fit. All right, so we're going to put this on. Of course, my tree is bleeding. My pine tree in the backyard. So we're going to put the strap over. And then it says to, so I'll have my beautiful assistant come around. We're going to throw this around the tree or hang it, hand it to ourselves. And keep it nice and straight around the tree. And if you keep the tension on the button right here, if you make it short when you're coming around, then that way you just release, you're keeping tension so it's not slipping down in the back of the tree. You bring it around till you hit your button. Then you can tighten it up. You don't have to worry. So according to their instructions, you tighten One thing I'm seeing here is these buttons are a little small, so it's a good thing to have those stitchings in there to keep it on there. So it says put it in a vertical position like this, tighten the strap, and then cam it over. Then it says to bring it back to that vertical position again. You can see this pine tree just things love to dig into this pine tree. So I put that in there, so I'm going to pull up a little bit, kind of like the wee steps, and then cam it over. All right, so pretty solid. And let's get up there and see what it feels like. All right, so we're up there. I'm going to hook in my bridge. So I'm all saddled up in here. Everything's nice and solid. Got my flex on. Sitting back, nice and comfortable. Really feels good on the feet. Very solid. It's not moving away from the tree, which is awesome. You can see there's very little movement. Those teeth are grabbing into the tree. So if I go over here to the right and you do have it come up when you take a little bit of pressure off it, but giving side pressure, it's not moving at all. That way, let's come around this way and do it. If I come around, got side pressure going the opposite direction. Those teeth really grab into the tree, so it's not moving at all. The only thing you get is if you take pressure off, it wants to come up a little bit, but that's no problem. It's not making any noise. Still grabbing in. Oh, sorry about that plane going over the top. You got the air show up in Oshkosh going on. So, feels really good. I love it. I love how it grabs your feet. You're not going to get any squeaky sound if it's wet outside, if your boots are wet. But really nice. I love it. What we'll do is we're going to play around with it a little bit later on and see how, as far as adjusting on this, my famous tree for the angles, it really puts things to the test, and it wants to bite into the trees too. But yeah, the side pressure is really awesome. I love it. Feels really good. Try this side again over here. Yep, really working nice. I love the way the platform itself feels. Good job, Matthew. Awesome job. So guys, we'll compare this against the Predator and see how, as far as adjusting on this tree, we did this with the perch. We'll see how it does with the angling on the other side of the tree and then on the sides. But all right, guys, you have an awesome day. Really like the way this feels. I think it's a little heavier. I think they said it right around 4 pounds. I'll measure it when we do the, or I'll weigh it when we do the comparison of the two. You guys have an awesome day and enjoy the outdoors. See you later. Bye-bye.